welcome back to Cute Kid Cooking! This is a really cute kid baking. Let's not fool ourselves. What are we making today?
Cookies.
What kind? Chocolate chip oatmeal cookies.
Yeah.
Oatmeal chocolate chip?
Now can you show them what we need?
Yeah. What do we need?
We need flour, cups,
Yeah, measuring cups are important.
and a fork.
Oh god.
Don't let your kids when you books that are so long that I'm a bigger, but mom lets me do forks.
Yep.
But don't do your little babies.
No, don't let your little babies do it. Alright, so we are using the Betty Crocker recipe. We tested this out last week.
We need a
And it works awesome.
When we're dirty. And we need this thing. And we need this. Also we need a cup of flour and some butter.
We need more than just a cup, but you're right. Alright, we're going to start with 1.5 cups of packed brown sugar.
Oh,
Last time we used light, today I'm going to use dark. I think that makes a difference.
we've got light and dark.
Yes, we do.
We need redness. We need redness.
We're going to have butter in a second here. Probably should just throw the rest of that in there. Oh, yeah. Alright, also we're going to put in a cup of butter, soften. We're going to have to work on that. So, we'll be right back.
The sugar looks kind of different.
Looks kind of different. Yeah, we've got our butter. It accidentally was melted. That's Mommy's fault rather than softened. That might be a problem later. Oh well. And you're going to stir, stir, stir?
Yeah, it's all brown right now
Because it's dark brown sugar.
I mixed it and turned it brown, but it's not buttery anymore.
Oh.
Mommy made it melt.
Yeah, whoops. Did you just poke yourself in the eye with that spoon?
No.
I saw it. Okay, guess what we need next? A teaspoon of vanilla.
Uh-oh.
Also, I didn't get her out the right spoon anyway, so that's okay.
Go get it.
This is for later for salt. Hold that thought.
I thought we needed it.
We need 2 of these dudes. Can you hold that? Vanilla.
The pot is vanilla.
Oh, ugh, sorry, something to eat dirty. This always comes out so fast. Oh, I need one more. Just not as fast this time. Okay, good, perfect. Oh, good. Okay.
I'm so glad it didn't go that bad.
Whew, me too. When we made it before, they did have a very strong vanilla. Ugh. Mom's got butterfingers.
Butterfingers. You
Because I
got
just spelled
butterfingers.
butter. Alright,
I
egg
got-
time. You got vanilla fingers. You need a towel?
No, I got sugar fingers.
You got sugar fingers? You need that?
I got the sugar.
Oh, brother!
Oh, we dropped it.
We should have made something with butterfingers in them because we have butterfingers. Alright, ready? Boom.
I got eggs.
Stir that sun in. You
eggs.
got the eggs. I got the egg hands. I'm going to clean those off. Alright, so we're going to stir those in until light and fluffy. Can you make it light and fluffy, dear? Alright, you do that. I'm going to wash my hands. We'll be back.
We're gonna do it at the same time.
I don't know. Maybe it'll be better for our muscles if we do a little at a time. So this is 1.5.
Oh no, we got some on the
It's
table.
okay. 1.5 cups of flour. When we made this last time, we did the oats first and then the flour. We're gonna try it the opposite way. I mean, they tasted fantastic, so I probably shouldn't change it. It just seems like I don't want to wear myself out with
Mommy,
stirring oats so fast. Do
Mommy.
you want to stir?
can we clean up this?
Is that really distressing you?
Yeah.
Oh boy, well, we can't have that.
I'll go clean it up.
Okay, good idea.
Dad, you need to clean up. We gotta
like Great British Bake Off. They just let it be all messy until the very end. But you do you, you know? If the mess is gonna make you sad, clean it up.
Mommy,
Clean it up.
guys, just in case.
You like to keep your workstation clean?
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
you pretend this is a station.
A workstation.
You pretend the
All right.
music tell just in case.
She's looking beautiful. Are you ready for some oats?
Oops, yeah.
All right, we need 2 cups of oats.
Just in case we're done with the little things.
Yeah, we did the flour. Now we're gonna do the oats. Can you hold that? You hold this?
Yep.
I'll get the oats.
This is so fun. I love oats. I love oats on. Oh, I was gonna pour it.
All right, pour it. I know. We're gonna do 2 of those. Oh, this is where muscles. Muscles. Do you want to get in there, muscles?
Yeah.
Yeah. Girl strength.
I think I need to.
Oh, okay. So no girl
Guys?
strength.
Guys, we can see you.
We can't see them. That's true. They can see us, but we can't see them. That was
Because
very
it's a
interesting.
vlogging video.
I had the telephone. Oh boy, my workstation's getting real messy over here.
Mom, just use that towel.
It's okay, use my hand. The towel that God gave you.
The workstation's getting really messy today.
Yeah, it was. Alright, let's put in some mo. Ready?
Okay. I'll put it.
You're good at putting the ingredients in. Yeah.
Mom, wait. It's your turn to put it in this time.
Oh, well, thank you.
I already had a turn.
Oh, well, aren't you just the fairness police? Alright, we're going to stir that up. We're going to put in some baking soda. Just a little bit. 1 teaspoon. That's kind of a lot, actually. And then just 1/4 of a thing of salt. Because we don't want super salty cookies, do we? That'd be gross. What is your favorite part?
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips.
Mom,
Let's do it.
What's your favorite part?
When I get to eat the cookies.
Mom,
Ready? Are you going to sprinkle them in or dump them?
just wait for a minute.
Okay. A cup of chocolate chips.
Now I'm gonna have one.
Sure. It's supposed to be semi-sweet, but I like milk. So too bad, Betty. Betty Crocker, that is. Okay. This is a dainty effort. You do have a thing about wanting to do everything one at a time. Shh. What are you doing? What did you do? Did you eat the chocolate chips? That's okay.
I need another one.
Yeah. The joy of the chocolate chip. All right.
I can't help it because it's too delicious.
Get that on a quote shirt for me, please.
Mommy,
I can't help it because it's too delicious.
Mom,
Yeah.
can I have some on in a bowl?
While the cookies are baking?
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm a weirdo.
You are given all the fire today, girl. You are Miss Quote Ability embodied.
I'm gonna try not to
This is
spill
YouTube
one.
gold. It's okay.
You
If
spill
you
one?
spill them, you get to eat them. Unless they are on the floor, then no. Keep going. It's looking simply
Guys,
beautiful.
since if your chocolate chips fall on the floor, just put them on the trash can, cause when they're dirty. But
Yeah, keep
Mama,
telling us.
I thought you were gonna eat it.
No, I should have, huh?
Mom, we're almost getting it now.
We're almost getting there. We'll be putting them on a baking sheet before you know it.
I ate another one.
Girl! Okay. So here we go.
I ate another one.
We need to put those on a baking sheet. Ready?
Wait, I need some.
You finish that. 3 left. 2 left. 1 left. 0 left.
Yay!
Now we can scoop them. Okay, we have them all scooped out, but I inevitably, can I speak? Have one little dude that doesn't have anything in it. So Chris is gonna help us out. There's one secret surprise. I guess not a secret. Special ingredient cookie. Let's do this. There you go. Oatmeal Reese cup cookie. Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
Nice contribution. Appreciate it.
Contribution.
All right, let's put these bad
Busy
boys in the
and
oven.
stuff.
What?
I said my only contribution, because you know I'm busy and stuff.
It is true.
It is true.
All right, let's do it. Give us a little chocolate chip cookie dance. I'd say this is intermission, but actually, this is more than halfway through, I'm sure. So, chocolate chip dance. Can you sing a little song to go with it? Ooh, that was a good one.
Can you do one? What's
No.
Can you do one?
No.
Sorry, you're the artist.
Can I do another one?
Yeah, please.
Chocolate chip is going every time it's wiggling.
Wiggling.
And it's going down and it went down my throat.
Mm-hmm. You have chocolate chips in your belly. It is evident.
And it's so yummy. I like it too. And do you like it too? It's so yummy. It's so. It's so is you. So is me too. Let's go.
It's so yummy. So is you. So is me too. That was an awesome lyric.
No.
That's a winner.
But there's more.
What?
Chocolate chip. Ah, so yummy. Yes, go!
Let's go. Guess what? The cookies are done. They are out. See the cookies?
They look so delicious.
Should you try one?
Maybe after the record.
I think they're probably okay.
Let's touch them.
Let's not touch all of them.
Why?
Health and safety.
Let's just touch one.
Okay, that can be the one you eat. Go ahead, touch one. How does it feel?
It's probably a little hot.
Oh, really? Okay.
Let's touch one.
I mean, it's warm and gooey, I bet. Let's try it.
I eat hot.
Okay. How is it?
Good. Mm-mm-mm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's good. Okay, you know what that means. The adventure is done. This kitchen adventure has come to an end. Adventure is out there.
You can watch one.
Yeah, there's lots of other adventures on this channel if you want to watch them, if you're bored. So make sure to keep track of Cute Kid Cooking. This has been Betty Crocker Oatmeal Chocolate Chip Cookies. And do all those things you usually do. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the thumbs up if you liked this video. You can't leave comments, but you can always go on our Facebook or Twitter. Just Dream Away 1971 on Facebook and Just Dream Away 1 on Twitter, and tell us what you thought.
But can you comment down below anymore?
Yeah, because these videos are for kids, okay? Anyway, so, and it has a cute kid in it, so we don't want to encourage, any weirdness. Anyway, Thank you for watching. Hit the notification bell button if you want to know when new videos come out. And we'll see you guys for another adventure later. Bye, friends!